2020 Platinum Cottage Tiny Home. Price, $72,000. Location, Scurry, Texas. Full information. Condition, used like new. 2020 Platinum Cottage. This tiny home has been well kept and taken care of. It comes with all appliances, a couch, rugs, and several additional items that can stay with the home. The home is for sale to be moved to your own property. Financing would be similar to an RV loan, but you'll need to secure your own, as the seller does not offer financing options. The home is available to show on request and is located in Scurry, Texas. Relisting due to a previous buyer not following through. Tiny home, 12 by 30. Price, $14,000. Location, Lexington, Texas. Full information. Condition, used good. Description. This 12 by 30 tiny home is approximately 9 years old and is currently being used for storage. It was lived in for about 4 years. During the ice freeze 2 years ago, the shower faucet busted and the tankless water heater now has a small leak. The buyer will need to hire a mover to transport the home. Price, $14,000 or best offer, OBO. Note, serious buyers only. Tiny home. Price, $39,999, cash only. Location, Liberty Hill, Texas. Full information. Condition, new. Description. Charming, newly renovated tiny house, 450 square feet with 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, and 2 spacious lofts. The home is custom built and in amazing condition, ready for a new owner. Key features. Sparkle's 2-unit mini split with heating and cooling. Sparkle's 6-gallon electric water heater. Sparkle's tile shower with sliding glass door. Sparkle's full-sized appliances. Sparkle's full-size closet. Sparkle's 2 spacious lofts with room for king-size beds. Sparkle's custom-built ladders for loft access. Sparkle's 3 windows providing great natural light. Sparkle's additional custom lighting. Sparkle's ceiling fan recently added for loft ventilation. Important notes. Buyer is responsible for moving costs, land not included. Reasonable offers will be considered. Seller is looking to sell as soon as possible. Located in Liberty Hill, Texas, 78642. 1 bed, 1 bath house. Price, $45,000. Location, Okolona, Mississippi. Full information. Property type, house, tiny home. Size, 12 by 34. Condition, not specified, appears to be in good condition. Furnishing, unfurnished. Description, a cozy 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom tiny home for sale in Okolona, Mississippi. Includes a hookup for a stackable washer and dryer, an AC/heater unit, and plenty of natural light. Additional info. Message seller for more details. Location is approximate. Getting around, walk score data. Walk score, 36. Most errands require a car. Bike score, 37. Minimal cycling infrastructure. Transit score, not provided. Nearby schools, great schools ratings. Okolona Elementary School, K, 44/10, 0.3 miles. Shannon Middle School, 6 to 8, 3/10, 8.9 miles. Shannon High School, 9 to 12, 5/10 to 9 miles. Tiny house/small house. Price, $60,000. Location, Waco, Texas. Full information. Condition, used like new. Status, in stock, available now. Pickup, door pickup to be moved. Size, 480 square feet, 12 feet by 40 feet. Bedrooms/bathrooms, 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom. Move info. Seller will cover moving costs up to 30 miles. Buyer responsible for electrical, water, and sewer setup. Quote for 200-mile move. $2, $700, possibly less. Buyer is responsible for transporting/delivery beyond 30 miles. Features: granite countertops in kitchen and bathroom. Farmhouse white apron sink. Full-size washer and dryer hookups. Large capacity water heater. Large walk-in shower. Large closet in bedroom. Ceiling fans in both living room and bedroom. Bathroom heater/vent. Metal siding and metal roof. 2 mini split AC and heating units. Blinds on all windows. Electric cords included with purchase. Note: move-in ready with big upgrades and all appliances included. Tiny house for sale, must be moved. Price, $20,000, open to reasonable offers. Location, Opp, Alabama. Full information. Condition, used like new. Size, 14 by 32. Status, in stock, must be moved. Description: this tiny house is in great condition and ready for a new owner. The sellers were mid-renovation but have decided to sell and start a new build instead. You'll notice some unfinished areas. Shiplap paneling wall behind the TV will be completed before sale. Window area in the shower wall will also be finished. Additional paneling for the living room is included. Features: 2 loft areas. 1 used as a closet, originally held a king-size bed. 2nd loft above the door, used for storage. Stackable washer and dryer included. Fridge/freezer included. Arctic King AC/heat combo unit included. Note: buyers responsible for transporting the tiny house. 14 by 40 deluxe cabin/tiny home, new at a repo price. Price, $13,641, spring sale. Location, Conway, Arkansas. Full information. Condition new. Original price, $16,840. Spring sale price, $13,641. Delivery, door drop-off available. Financing options, no credit check required. 24 months, $811.96 down/$811.96 monthly, plus local tax. 36 months, $631.53 down/$631.53 monthly, plus local tax. 48 months, $554.51 down/$554.51 monthly, plus local tax. 60 months, $501.51 down/$501.51 monthly, plus local tax. Size, 12 by 32 cabin, listed as 14 by 40 in title. Possibly includes porch or overhang. Uses, perfect for a home office, man cave, she shed, or personal retreat. Construction features: 4 by 6 points notch skids, 2 by 6 points floor joists, 16-inch OC, 5 of 8-inch tongue and groove engineered flooring, 5/4 x 6 PT deck board, 89-inch wall studs, 16 OC, double top plate for structural strength, LP smart panel siding, 29 gauge metal roof, standard 4-foot front porch, 9 light front door. Contact info, call, hidden information, and ask for Cindy for more details. Tiny home fire sale. Fire. Price, starting at $49,900. Location, Levelland, Texas. Full information. Condition new. Available models and prices. 12 by 40, 2021 model, $49,900. 14 by 40, 2023 model, $56,900. 12 by 54, 2023 model, gas, $60,900. Description: Brand new and slightly older model tiny homes are available at unbeatable prices. These 1-bedroom/1 bathroom units are ready to go and priced to move quickly. Location to view: Bell Mobile Homes, Levelland, Texas. Contact info. Call to schedule a viewing or get more information. Ask for Chris. Note: limited stock. Swing by soon to grab the best deals. 1-bed, 1-bath house. Price: $17,900. Location: Victoria, Texas. Full information. Property type: house, tiny home. Condition: not fully finished. Ready for your customization. Furnishing: unfurnished. Size: 34 foot x 13 feet. Layout: 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom. Tiny home for sale in Victoria, Texas. The structure is in place and includes a 1-bed/1 bath layout, measuring 34 by 13 feet. It's ready for you to finish with your own custom touches. Location is approximate. Getting around: walk score data. Walk score: 48. Most errands require a car. Bike score: 46. Minimal cycling infrastructure. Transit score: not provided. Nearby schools: great schools ratings. Stroman Middle School, 6 to 8 3/10, 1 mile away. 2 beds, 2 baths house. Price: $25,000 or best offer. Location: Lindale, Texas. Full information. Condition: remodeled, originally a 1984 model. Fully rebuilt 7 years ago. Furnishing: unfurnished. Size: 16 by 84. Layout: 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Utilities: AC available, built-in units in bedroom, kitchen, and bathroom utility area. Gas heating, propane space heater included. Electric available, gas stove included. All gas lines replaced in 2024. Interior features: fully stripped and rebuilt from studs and floor joists. Interior walls: mostly sheetrock with chair rails and 3-tone paint. Some pine paneling. Ceilings and floors: tongue and groove pine. Subfloor: 3/4 subfloor with 3/4 1 by 6 by 16 pine flooring. Kitchen: hickory cabinets and food pantry. Windows: all replaced and upsized. Large windows in living room and bedrooms. Exterior features: hardy siding, cypress/spruce lap siding. Appliances and extras: gas stove, washing machine/dryer hookups, dishwasher, AC units included, propane space heater included. Note: must be moved by buyer. Getting around: walk score data. Walk score: 9. Almost all errands require a car. Bike score: 22. Minimal cycling infrastructure. Transit score: not provided. Nearby schools: great schools ratings. College Street Elementary School, 1 to 3 7/10, 1.7 miles. Lindale Junior High School, 7 to 8 9/10, 1.7 miles. Lindale High School, 9 to 12 6/10, 1.7 miles. 14 by 47 single wide. Price: $25,900. Location: Paris, Tennessee. Full information. Condition: used, like new, newly remodeled. Size: 14 by 47. Layout: 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. Interior features: actual house-style kitchen cabinets. Heavy farmhouse sink in the kitchen. Wood accent walls with light fixtures in the living room and master bedroom. New front and back doors. Freshly painted exterior. Comes with a package HVAC unit. Ductwork will be hooked up. Wiring not included. Inclusions with price. Move included within 30 miles of Paris, Tennessee. Blocking, leveling, tie down, and ground cover included per TN state regulations. Important notes: cannot be moved out of state. Utilities not included in price. Electric, water, sewer, and HVAC wiring/setup are buyer's responsibility. Total cost: $25,900. Turnkey move within 30 miles included. Tiny house/office. Price: $32,500. Location: Independence, Kansas. Full information. Condition, used good. Size, 14 by 24. Layout, studio-style cabin with bathroom, include shower. Features, fully wired and plumbed. Equipped with heat and air. Suitable for use as a tiny home, studio, or office. Note, compact and versatile. This cabin is move-in ready and functional for a variety of personal or professional uses. Tiny home. Price, $16,500. Location, Dayton, Texas. Full information. Condition, used like new. Size, 16 by 24. Features, granite countertops. Nice restroom. Plenty of storage space. Mini split AC and heating unit. Ideal use. Great for a couple. Perfect as a grandmother suite or guest house. Note, must be moved by the buyer. Still available if the post is up. Fully finished / perfect luxury cabin. Price, $62,000 plus tax. Location, Robinson, Texas. Free delivery within 50 miles of Waco, Texas. Full information. Condition new. Type, Ozark log cabin. Size, total, 12 by 28. Interior, 12 by 24. Porch, 4 by 12. Features, fully insulated. Electrical and plumbing included. Heating and air conditioning unit. Full bathroom. Kitchenette with refrigerator. Customizable to fit your preferences. Bonus, free delivery and setup within 50 miles of Waco, Texas. Contact, call Diana for more details. Number hidden in listing. Shop online via Storage Shed's link. Perfect for a cozy getaway, guest cabin, or a luxury tiny home with rustic charm.